So I found these old faded red back seats out of my Dauphine, and I'm going to paint them up. I've already scrubbed them, cleaned them, demoused them. Look at this. Just clean vinyl. You gotta have a really, really clean vinyl. That is the trick. And sun too. Warmth of the sun really helps. Makes like a vinyl dye. It's gonna look so much better. Same thing with the back piece. All right, so I got both the seat bottom and the seat back done. I used this 2X Rust-Oleum from Home Depot. Went through almost 2 cans, a can a piece, because it just soaks in. But that looks pretty good, and that's gonna go into the red interior Dauphine over there. That's one thing about Portland, Oregon. If you don't like the weather, just hang out for a little bit. It's 51 degrees and raining. Yesterday was really nice. Yesterday we painted these seat cushions for our Renault Dauphine. Came out really good. I wanted them to dry overnight because I put a lot of coats on them. This is the upright or the back, and this is the bottom or the butt part. They look really good. What I didn't show you is I also restored these bumpers. These were chrome bumpers for my Singer, and they were really rusted. And if you look closely, see the pits in there? I tried really hard to get those out. I can't fit them in my sandblasting box. The bumpers are too long, but I spent a lot of time taking a DA trying to get these pits out, and I just painted them with a aluminum metallic spray paint that has primer built into it. It's just something you get from Home Depot. That came out really good. So I'll be putting these bumpers on my Singer, but the pits are just crazy. Let me turn the lights on there. You can see those pits are pretty deep, but they're essentially free bumpers. They are off of an MG TD, and they seem to fit the chassis of my Singer. Also, this tubular thing you're looking at here, this black thing, this is pretty cool. This is also for the Renault Dauphine. It has a quad tip. Let me pull the tape off here. Tried to restore the tips. They're chrome. You can see the rust coming off with the paint, with the tape. Don't think I can get all the rust off, but it's a sport muffler for a Dauphine, and I've had it for a long time. I thought it was for a Subaru 360. I got it with a Subaru 360 parts stash that I purchased, and I just assumed that's what it was for, but it's got these cool 4 slash tips, 4 of them, 1 for each cylinder, and I can't wait to put that on my Dauphine. So we're gonna get prepped here, get all our tape off, get this back on the car, but all this stuff has been sitting around for a long time and required lots of sanding and then smoothing to make it look really nice. That's how you kind of restore parts. Interior, exterior, all the same. Get it sanded down or clean so it accepts paint, and if it's really rusty, you should use something that's got a lot of grit to it, and or sandblast it to get the pits. And you can just do what you can with what you have to work with.